Like, these shits are so crazy. What's good, YouTube? It's Taylor Prentice, and today I'm here with a video on some pickups I've got throughout the fall and the winter. I haven't uploaded any videos in a while, so I'm gonna break this pickups video into two parts. They should be pretty short, but anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and get right on into this. Two of the items I'm gonna show in this video are from Daniel Patrick. I love both of these items. These are the vintage black roaming track pants. And as you can see, it has like sort of a drop crotch, and then has some like detailing on the sides that are just really phenomenal. That's actually what caught my eye when I went into the Daniel Patrick store for the first time, is his use of like reversing fabrics and then showing that. So I think that's really dope. And it has super extended drawstrings, as you can see. These are the same exact model, if I'm not wrong, of pants, but these ones fit me a little differently. These ones fit a little more like true to size and a little bit snugger. I actually think I prefer the fit of these. These are a little too baggy, especially like in the crotch for me, but they're super phenomenal. I still wear them all the time. Like, they're super comfortable. I definitely recommend getting a pair, but they are kind of expensive. These were $220. And I was able to get these on sale in the Daniel Patrick store in Soho for like $140 or $150. There is a guy who works there. His name's Noel. He's a super dope guy. If you're ever in the Soho store, you should definitely talk it up with him and give him a follow on Instagram. He's a really cool dude. I'll plug his Instagram. But yeah, Daniel Patrick overall, it just seems like a really nice brand. It seems like they really care about their customers, and I've had them reach out to me in various ways, such as like Instagram DMs or just like really personal emails. So I fuck with Daniel Patrick a lot, and I'll definitely be getting some pieces from him as we move forward. And I believe he's doing a really big Christmas sale right now, so if you guys are able to get in on that, you should definitely check it out. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the sweatpants. Could you throw me those? Will you throw me those? All right. Bet. And these, wow. I've been waiting on these for a while. I haven't bought a pair of Bravado jeans in like probably like 6 months to a year. I'm super stoked about these. These are probably the craziest item I have. The dye on these, phenomenal. Embroidery, phenomenal. Distressing, phenomenal. Phenomenal. Like, these shits are so crazy. I wish you could see them in person. The buttons are really, really nice. I've never seen buttons like this before, so that's really cool. Yeah, so I picked these up from a Collection 4 restock on Black Friday. They were originally $500, but I got them for like $425, which is still steep as hell.
So today we're going to be talking about what you should do if you are broke.
I love Bravado. All his pairs of denim go crazy, but like every time I get a new pair, I swear they're better. Every time I get a new package from Bravado, the packaging gets better and better, along with the quality of the garments. I can't imagine how many man hours were spent on this, and that is why I think it's justifiable to spend about like $425 on a pair of jeans. ASAP Bari actually posted a picture talking shit about these like 2 days before they came out for the second time, so that kind of influenced me to buy them. I don't know why. When I got on the website, I like debated on buying these for a couple hours because they're just like such a standout piece, and wearing them is not very casual. I think I made the right decision because about 2 hours after I bought them, they ended up selling out in my size, and then the next day they had sold out in all the sizes. So that was pretty cool. Hopefully these will rise in value. I'm sure they will, because I don't think he'll ever release anything like these again. Moving forward, I'm really excited to see what else he keeps dropping. He should have some stuff spring summer 19 with Off-White, so I'm really, really excited to see what all that is. This video was definitely focused around more of the pants pickups I had, and the next video will be focusing on like some tops and some accessories and a pair of shoes that I picked up. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about Daniel Patrick and also Bravado. Fire stuff. And yeah, hopefully we get another video out soon. Catch you guys later.
Suck me like a push pop. Finna switch the lane, young nigga finna cook rock. Even if I could, do you think that I would stop? Dead nigga try his luck with me, he on a stove top. Jugging all these niggas for they product cause they pussy. Yeah, I know they hate me and they love to overlook me. Yeah, I get my guapo with my niggas and smoke cookie. Yeah, I got my drip up, now they bitches over. do-rag. Ranch sitting pretty on my lap like a cool cat. Case a nigga really wanna black, we can do that. Young nigga, we can really fucking do that. Smoking big woods in a backseat.